Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 7 June and today's video topic is the different joins and keys in SQL. So let's see what is joins and SQL. Before that, first we see what is SQL. The full form of SQL is the structured query language. The SQL is used to access and manipulate the data from the database, and the SQL is become standard of American National Standard Institute in 1986, and also it become a ISO in 1987. Then the SQL is it is a programming language, and it is specially designed for to manipulate manipulate data from the database. Then the SQL means structure query language. SQL means structure query language. It is used to perform operation on the data, and that data is stored in database. The operations are such as delete record, search record, updating record, view record, modifying record, etc. Then next we see what is keys. Which is keys? There are many key. The first key is foreign key. The foreign key is used to maintain relationship between the two tables, and the foreign key can contain not null values and also unique values. So that is foreign key. Then primary key. Then the primary key, when we apply primary key means it is a combination of not null and unique constraint. When we apply primary key, that time that column contain only unique values, and also the must be does not contain any duplicate values and not null values, and it identify each row and column uniquely. So that is primary key and foreign key. The difference between primary key and foreign key is the foreign key is used to maintain relationship between two tables, and the foreign key it check the all values uniquely, and the foreign key is accept unique values, can accept not null values and duplicate values. But the primary key does not accept primary key primary key does not accept not null constraint and duplicate constraints. Then then next is a joins. First we see what is joins. The joins means to combine something. To combine something means joins means we combine more than one, two or more tables between each other in the database. Means basically joins. There are different types of joins, such as inner join, left join, right join, cross join, and also self join, and uh, self join and full outer join. So let's see one by one. First is inner join. In inner join, there is basically it return those column which match between both the top tables. For example, in case there are two tables, when there is match between two tables, it return only matches values in the column. So that is the inner join. Then left join. In left join, there is it return all the values from left join, and it return those values from right table which is matched from the with the left table. So that is left join. Then next is a right join. In right join, it return all the right side table values and match and return only those values from left side which is written with the right table. So that is right join. Then next is the full outer join. The full outer join, it return all the records if there is match either right or left join. Then next is a self join. The self join is a regular join, but it match itself. Then next is a cross join, or it is also called as Cartesian join. It returns the Cartesian product of the set between the more than two or more tables. Means if we have a table in that there is only three record, and in B table there is four record, then it return 12 records. So basically this is joins and keys. Thank you.